In this video, we are going to locate the centroid of a triangle. So before moving, let me tell you what is centroid of a triangle. So here we have a triangle ABC where D is the midpoint of BC. If you join this midpoint through the opposite vertex of the triangle A, you will get AD as a line segment, which is called the median of a triangle. Same way, if you join this E, midpoint of AC, to the opposite vertex B, we will get one more median BE, and FC is another median. So we are having three medians in a triangle. So what is median? Median of a triangle is a line segment drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So triangles are having three medians. Now what is centroid? Now these three medians are meeting at this point G. So this G point is called the centroid of a triangle. So what is centroid? Centroid of a triangle is the intersection of three medians of the triangle. Okay, so now let us find the centroid of, let me take first triangle, acute angle triangle. This is acute angle triangle. So let us find the centroid of this triangle through the paper folding activity. So first let me write these 3 points. This is A, this is a B, and this is a vertex C. So if you will join these two vertex A, B, coincide here, and this point, just make a crease. This is, we have got the median of the triangle AB. So if you join this, this is called the midpoint of the triangle AB. If you join this midpoint to the opposite vertex of the triangle C, this is called the median. So let us get the midpoint of BC with a paper folding activity. This side is dividing into two parts, right? So this is a midpoint. So now BC line segment is divided into two parts. B, let us name this midpoint is D, and this midpoint let us name as E. So BE is equals to EC. So same way, let us get the midpoint of AC with the folding of the paper, this, and then making a crease here, and we have got point, midpoint of AC. So now let us join this midpoint with the opposite vertex B using the scale. Same way, let us join now midpoint this E, we will join it with the opposite vertex A. So we have got the three medians of this triangle. This is a triangle, right? This ABC triangle, and we have got the three medians. This point of intersection of these three medians is called the centroid of a triangle. Now let us see what about the right angle triangle. In case of the right angle triangle, if this is A, this point is B, and here we have C. Now first let us find the midpoint of all the three sides by folding the paper and making a crease here. So this is a midpoint. Now if you will fold the paper along AC, here you are getting a crease, then folding along AB, just join the corners properly and then make a crease. Now we have got a three midpoints of these three line segments. So if you are joining these three midpoints opposite to the opposite vertex, you will get the median of the triangle. This is the first median of the triangle, and then this line segment, this is a midpoint, and here we are having a opposite vertex, this. So let us join with the opposite vertex. So this is another median. Same way we are having this midpoint with this opposite vertex. Yes. So here we have got the median, centroid of right angle triangle, right? So this was it is a right angle triangle. Centroid of a right angle triangle also lies inside the circle. So now let us find out the centroid of a obtuse angle triangle. So same way, first let us name the triangle A, B, C. Then what is the midpoint of BC? We'll get it by joining this side, the two opposite two vertex, and here we are getting a midpoint. Same way, A and C. So joining A and C, here it is a midpoint, and then A and B, this side, we've got a midpoint here. So we have got a 3 midpoint. Now let us join the midpoints. So midpoint of BC is here. It was here. Let me see one more. Yeah, this is the midpoint of BC. So let us join it with the opposite vertex. Then midpoint of AB is this, is on this crease. So what is the opposite vertex of AB? This C. So let us join it with C. Same way, the midpoint on AC, the crease is here. So let us join this also with the opposite vertex. So where these three medians are meeting, the point of intersection of these three medians here, so this point is called the centroid of a triangle. So what did we observe? For the acute angle or the obtuse angle or for the right angle triangle, the centroid lies inside the circle, right? So we did the activity to locate the centroid of a triangle in all three different kinds of triangle. So in the next video, we will do the paper folding activity to locate the orthocenter of in all three different kinds of triangle. So stay tuned and do share, like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.